This is Christian Keeler. I got my brother Dominic with me today. When I did the katana training video and when we did our last video, we said that when our bow staffs came in, we would do an unboxing video. So we're going to unbox them and show them to you. Alright, it's open. Time to pull them out. I'm going to have to stand up for this part. It's going to be a little bit long. Bubble wrap down there. And it's got the warning sticker right there. It says it's for martial arts only. It's got the Japan sticker on it.
Thank you.
Let's pull them out of the wrapping now.
Cool. Alright. Yeah.
You might want to.
Yeah. I get it.
Got the wrapping off of them. Put that up in a minute. They're a pretty good size. They're about 6 foot. Pretty good size. Fully wood. Got some good ends to it. And let us know in the comments what you think about the bow staffs. But these are what the Champions and Motion bow staffs look like. If you want one yourself, just go on their website, and they're 25 for the 6 foot bow staffs. And that's it for today.